As your organization grows, so does the complexity of managing users, groups, and resources. You don't want every administrator to have full control over the entire directory, especially if your company spans departments, business units, or regions. That's where administrative units come in. Administrative units in Microsoft Entra ID are like scoped containers that let you delegate management of specific users, groups, and devices without giving global permissions. Think of them as boundaries that allow for more secure and efficient delegation of identity-related tasks. When you create an administrative unit, you're setting up a logical boundary inside your tenant. You can then assign scoped roles, like user administrator or groups administrator, only within that AU. This allows a delegated admin to manage just their part of the org, without touching other departments or users outside their scope. Let's explore the number of use cases. Let's say you operate in Australia, India, and the UK. You can create an AU for each region and assign local IT admins who can reset passwords, manage group memberships, or assign licenses, but only for users in their region. They won't be able to touch users outside their AU, even if they hold an admin role. In large enterprises, HR, finance, and engineering each manage their own users and apps. You can create AUs named HR, finance, and engineering and assign department-specific administrators. This way, the HR admin can manage HR employees but won't have access to manage engineers. Let's say you want to delegate a help desk administrator role to a junior IT staff member, but only for the sales team. You assign the help desk role scope to the sales AU. Now they can reset passwords for sales users, but can't accidentally modify executive or finance accounts. You just reduced your risk surface significantly. Why administrative units matter. With administrative units, AUS, you get to delegate responsibilities to administrators without giving them full control over your entire tenant. This means your role-based access aligns with what people actually need to manage. Nothing more, nothing less. If you're responsible for managing users in a specific region or department, AUs ensure that's all you see and touch. AUs give your local or departmental admins the power to manage users and resources in their own scope, without exposing the rest of your tenant. You're enabling autonomy in a secure, structured way. You stay in control at the top, while others handle the operational tasks that don't need your involvement. If your organization has compliance requirements around data access, segregation of duties, or audit responsibilities, AUs help you meet those standards. By scoping access and policies down to specific units, you can apply controls at a much more granular level than tenant-wide policies ever allowed. As your organization grows, trying to manage every user, app, and group centrally becomes unsustainable. AUS let you scale out by logically dividing responsibilities so each business unit or region can be independently managed without creating new tenants or losing central governance. Let's unpack a few limitations now. You can't organize AUs inside other AUs. If you were hoping to build a hierarchy like departments within regions, that won't work here. Each AU is a flat container with no internal nesting support. While a user or group can be part of several AUs, the reverse isn't true. You can't have an AU as a member of another AU. That means you need to plan your scopes carefully if multiple teams share responsibilities over the same users. Some roles, like Global Administrator, are always tenant-wide and can't be scoped to an AU. This means you'll still need to handle certain responsibilities at the top level, and you can't fully decentralize everything. So, what's your key takeaway? If you're looking to delegate identity tasks securely and efficiently in Entra ID, administrative units are your best friend. You gain more control, your team gains autonomy, and everyone benefits from a clear separation of duties. Start thinking about your org structure and ask yourself, where can you use AUs to delegate smarter, not harder? By understanding how administrative units work and where they fall short, you're better equipped to design a scalable, secure, and compliant identity management structure in Microsoft Entra ID.